Hey guys, Wesley here, back with another video, and today, as usual, I always start a little late. After I'm doing it, I remember to film. But yeah, today what we're pretty much going to do is take the car off of winter mode, and I've done this way too many times now. But pretty much what happened was I didn't film it because you guys don't like the mini videos. You guys are not watching them, meaning you guys don't like them, so I'm really going to stop posting them if you guys are not really going to watch them. I post like the important ones, like when we get coilovers and wheels, but all the little maintenance stuff for the mini, I guess I'm gonna stop posting them unless you guys tell me you want them. But what I can see with the views, people don't really want to see them. But yeah, I'm taking it off winter mode. We put those on because this car broke down. The belt broke in Annapolis, Maryland. That's like 2 hours away from where I live, and we had to go with my car to go get it the next day. So on that ride right there, there's like they're building a lot of new roads. If you see, my tires on my other rims are tiny, so we put these on because first of all, it was snowing over there. I don't want to slip and slide in the highway, and then second of all, I would protect my other rims from that harsh. Right now, probably by the summer it'll be ready, so I can take it. Well, I'm gonna take it anyways. But yeah, pretty much right now we're gonna take it out of winter mode. The back with these wheels actually fit fine. You see, like it fits fine. That's the height that I had on my other wheels. But the front, we had to lift it up like an inch or more. So I'm gonna take it all the way down. I guess I'm slamming it just to see how it looks. I'll probably lift it back up a little more because I don't want to drive it. It's still winter, so. But I'm gonna slam it just to see how it looks on the other wheels. I've never seen it like fully slammed. So yeah, let's do it. Yoga. Right now that is fully sent. That's like as low as it can go, and I know you guys can comment all you want, whatever. Oh, it's bad for your coilovers. I really don't care. These are cheap coilovers. I just want to see how it looks. I'll probably end up lifting it back up anyways. I want to know also, you guys that know a little bit more coilovers, these coilovers are cheap, so you just thread it out, and I thought that was affecting the preload, but if you see, the spring is not moving with the preload, so I have no idea how that works. So if you guys know how that works, please let me know, because I know sometimes when you adjust this messes with the preload. But the preload anyways in any car, I think it should be like to where the spring doesn't move, and even like up here the spring doesn't move, and it doesn't even look more compressed, and even down here the same thing. So I don't really know how that works, but that's fully sent. Right now I have to get the spacers on, get the wheel on, and yeah. So first look at it, all the way like slammed, so gotta see how it looks. That's all the way low, but remember, this hasn't settled. This is how it looked before, and then right now it's like a quarter of an inch lower than what it would have been. Let's tighten that down and then do it to all the sides and then ride on it a little bit, so that way it settles. Anyone in the Delaware / Maryland area, please hit me up for these. I'm probably gonna sell them or trade. I'll trade you for anything BMW like 16 inch. They could be stock wheels, or maybe like some style 5s or something, as long as they're 16s. If they're 17s with a small tire, because what I want to do is, it's a pain to put these on because you need to lift the car. It looks super ugly because it's lifted. I like my car really low. These are the same exact wheels I had on my setup before. I'll put a picture of what I had. They're just the one in the picture is just these same rims, just like charcoal gray. They looked really great. And the tires, if you buy these, I'll tell you what spec tires I was running, so you can run like the same fitment as me and spacers and stuff. But yeah, pretty much hit me up if you want those. They're 17x7. Like, I don't know the brand. They're really nice though. They look really nice once the car's loaded on smaller tires, but right now they're on snow tires. So if this is what you're looking for and you have like some stock wheels that you're looking to get rid of, hit me up. And yeah, that's how it looks right now. It hasn't settled or anything, that's why it looks high, but trust me, it's gonna settle, it's gonna go lower. So yeah, let's just keep moving on, tighten these lug nuts, and then move on to the other side.